NMMS 2023 Spardha Yasesu SAT Paper 2 Social Science Questions and Answers with Explanation Part 3. 31. Which of these Neolithic people were cattle herders? Our options are Urzum, B. Piklihal, C. Mahargar, D. Kili Gul Muhammad. Our answer is B. Piklihal. 32. The major changes in the climate of the world happened in, our options are Paleolithic age, Mesolithic age, Neolithic age, D. None of the above. Let's check the answer. The changing environment. It is believed that 1200 years ago a major change took place in the world's environment. So right answer is B. Mesolithic age. 33. Which is the first animal to be tamed by our ancestor? Our options are A. Dog, B. Goat, C. Pig, D. Horse. Explanation. The first animal to be tamed was the wild and our ancestor is dog. Our right option is A. Dog. 34. The copper and stone implements are simultaneously used. The age is called. Our options are Mesolithic, Neolithic, Chalcolithic, Microlithic. Answer. Mesolithic age, the small tools that were more efficient than the bigger one, hence this period is called as a Microlithic age. These small tools were fixed a wooden handle and used as a spares while hunting. This clue indicate that our answer is B. Microlithic. 35. Kannada language belongs to this language family. Our options are A. Indo-European, B. Asian language, C. Tibeto-Burman language, D. Dravidian family. It is a very direct and easy question. So our answer is D. Dravidian family. 36. The following questions consists of two statements, one labeled as a assertion A and the other as a reason R. You have to examine these two statements carefully and decide the answer. Assertion A. Inscriptions are the living fact bearers of the particular period. They provide us information about religion, culture, economy, administration and the other aspects of that period. Reason are the earliest inscriptions obtained in our country has been the inscription written by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka. Our options are A. Both A and R true and R is a correct explanation of A. B. The both A and R true and R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Let's check the answer. Study of inscription. Inscriptions are the living fact bearers of the particular period. They are provide us information about religion, culture, economy, administration and other aspects of the period. And now R. The earliest inscription obtained in our country has been the inscription written by the Mauryan Emperor Ashoka. So our right option is here A. Both A and R are true. R is a correct explanation of A. 37. The scholars who studied the prehistoric age life is called. Options are A. Archaeologist, B. Numismatics, C. Calligraphist, D. Graphist. Here is clue. What are the archaeological sources? Do you know about them? Archaeological sources are the inscriptions, coins, monuments, pottery and other artifacts that have been obtained during the archaeological excavations. Our right option is A. Archaeologist. 38. Match the following and select your answer from the code given below. Our A column codes are A. Vitista, B. Askani, C. Purushini, Vipasha, E. Tutodri. Column B. 1 Jahlam, 2 Chenab, 3 Ravi, 4 Bias, 5th Tatlaj. Here is the clue. The region where rivers Sindhu, Tista, Jahlam, Askini, Chenab, Purushini, Ravi, Vipasha, Bias, Chatodri, Tatlaj and Saraswati flowed. So our right option is here A. 39. The following questions consists of statements, one labeled as an assertion A and other as a reason R. You have to examine these two statements carefully and decide the answer. Assertion A. Hieroglyphics, a sacred writings, was a symbolic language. It consists of small drawing. Reason R. The Mesopotamians had mastered the art of writing. Options are A. Both A and R true and R is a correct explanation of A. B. Both A and R true and R is the not correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. A is false but R is true. Let's check answer. Contribution of Egyptians. More than anything else, they had mastered the art of writing. It was consist language, it consisting small drawing and has been called hieroglyphics. It's Egyptians, not Mesopotamians. That's why our right answer is C. A is true but R is false. 40. This river was considered as a China's sorrow river. Our options are the Nile River, B. the Euphrates River, C. the Tigris River, D. Huanghe River. Let's find the answer. The river which led to the establishment of the Chinese civilization was known as China's sorrow. This was the Huanghe River. So our right option is D. the Huanghe River. 41. The 6 darshanas where our options are Shiksha, Vyakarna, Chandas, Nirukta, Jyotishya and Kalpa. Option B. Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Sankhya, Yoga, Purva Mimamsa and Uttara Mimamsa. C. Gayatri, Ushnika, Purushanika, Kakupa, Anushtupa, Bruhatti. D. Pashupata, Kalmukha, Kapalika, Maheshwara. Let's find answer. Smriti literature's third pillar constitutes the pillars of Indian philosophical system. The 6 darshanas, Nyaya, Vaisheshika, Sankhya, Yoga, Purva Mimamsa, Uttara Mimamsa. Here our right option is B. 42. The 4 principles preached by Parshvanatha Astheya means options are A. Not to own property, B. Non-violence, C. Not to steal, D. Truth. Check this out. The 4 principles preached by Parshvanatha were non-violence, truth, astheya, not to steal, aparigraha. So our right option is C. Not to steal. 43. According to Mahavira, the 3 ratnas are A. Non-violence, truth, astheya, B. Aparigraha, brahmacharya, truth, C. Samaggyana, samagdarshana, samagcharitra, D. Samagdarshana, samagcharitra, non-violence. See the explanation. The 3 ratnas are as follows: Samaggyana, Samagdarshana, Samagcharitra. Here our right option is C. 44. During the Kushan's administration, this sect received greater encouragement than their patronage. Our options are the Vajrayana sect, B. the Mahayana sect, C. Theravadin sect, D. Nikaya sect. Explanation. Kanishka was the most powerful ruler of the Kushan Empire. He conquered the and patronage the Buddhism played as an Mahayana Buddhism form of. So our option is here B. the Mahayana sect. 45. Match the following and select your answer from the code given below. A column Dhanavantari, Charaka, Shushruta, Aryabhatta, Varahmira. B column medical scientist, astronomer, surgeon, mathematician, father of Indian medicine. Let's see explanation. Dhanavantari, he was the famous scholar in the field of medicine. He is the father of Indian medicine. Charaka, he was a medical scientist. Sushruta, he was a surgeon. Aryabhatta, he was a famous astronomer and mathematician. Varahmira, he was a famous astronomer. So our right option is here C. 46. Read the following statement and select the correct options. Our assertion A is Kamala, a girl who was found in Midnapur in 1920, had spent 9 years among animals in the forest, was behaving like animal. Reason: what is evident from this instance is that man, if he is not in a human society, becomes an animal. Our options are A. Both A and R true and R is a correct explanation of A. Both A and R true and R is not a correct explanation of A. C. A is true but R is false. D. R is true but A is false. Explanation: Kamala, a girl who was found in Midnapur 1920, had spent 9 years among the animals in the forest. She used to be walk on all four legs like an animal and eat raw flesh. What is evident from this instance is that the man, if he is not in a human society, becomes an animal. So our first option A is right option. 47. Choose the sentence related to Karl Marx. Options are A. He studied the evolution of society first time. He is considered as the father of sociology. C. He worked hard at making sociology a science. D. He was a German philosopher. Let's find this. Herbert Spencer was the British sociologist who lived in the 19th century. He studied the evolution of society. Auguste Comte was one of who gave considered as a father of sociology. Emily Durkheim, he worked hard to science. Karl Marx was a German philosopher. Here our right related sentence is D. He was a German philosopher. 48. The word culture is derived from Latin word colere. That means our options are A. Cultivate, B. Behavior, C. Traditions, D. Achievements. Here is the answer. The word culture is derived from the Latin word colere. That means cultivate. Here is our right option A. Cultivate. 49. The farming revolution began with the invention of plough around 3000 before Common Era. Identified the change with this. Our options are A. The population of cities increased as people migrated to cities. B. We see division of labor in all aspects. C. The production of food to increased. D. The farmer is considered as a rich and become a leader of the group. Let's find the answer. Features of this society is farming revolution begins with the invention of the plough around 1000 before Common Era. With this, the production of the food to be increased. Food production increased much more than animals where we draw the plough. Our right option is here C. The production of food to be increased. 50. Choose the group of correct features of industrial society. Our options are A. New inventions transferred the society totally. B. Many people migrated the cities, therefore the population in cities increased. C. We see division of labors in all aspects. D. Cultivation is the main occupation of the society. Our options are here A and C only, B and C only, A, B, C and C, A, B and D. Let's check the answer. Features of this society is a new inventions transform the society totally. Many people migrated to cities where industries are established. Therefore, the population in these cities increases. We see division of labors in all aspects. So, our right option is here C, A, B and C. 51. The following statements are related to this society. Our options are these societies are comparatively big. These societies are usually seen in the grasslands. 3. The one who possess the largest number of cattle become more powerful than others. 4th, their main occupation is cattle rearing. Our options are A. Hunting and food gathering society, B. Cattle rearing society, C. farming society, D, industrial society. That's the answer. Cattle rearing societies feature. These societies are big and consisting of several hundreds of thousands of people. These societies can be usually seen grasslands. That is the reason their main cattle rearing. The one who possesses the largest number of the cattle becomes more powerful than others. So our right option is here, B, cattle rearing society. Fifth, identify the statements related to a hunting and food gathering society. Options are A here. This society keeps on moving from place to place. B, these societies are comparatively big. C, the one who possesses the largest number of the cattle become more powerful than others. D, their main occupation is cattle rearing. Here is explanation. Since this society keeps on moving from place to place, the statement relating to the hunting and food gathering society is here. Option A. This society keeps on moving from place to place. 53. Read the following statement and select the correct option. Assertion A. Many people migrated to cities where industries established. Reason are therefore the population cities increased. Our options are A, both A and R true and R is the correct explanation of A. Both A and R true and R is not the correct explanation of A. A is true but R is false. R is true but A is false. Let's check this out. Features of this society. Many people migrated to cities where industries are established. Therefore, the population in cities increases, not decreases. So, our right option is C here. A is true but R is false. 54. Read the given statement and identify the correct option related to hunting and food gathering society. Our features. This society comprises very small and scattered group of people. This society keeps on moving one place to another. The whole society bound together by means of relationship. There is no political institutions. The one who possesses the largest number of cattle became more powerful than others. Farming is the main occupation of this society. Let's check the options. A, only 1, 2, 3 and 4 are correct. B, only 2, 3, 5 and 6 are correct. C, only 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are correct. D, only 2, 3, 5 and 6 are correct. Find the hunting and food gathering society features. This society comprises small and scattered groups of people. Since the society keeps moving from place to place, the whole society is bound together by means of relationship. Since there are no political, so our right option is C here. Only 1, 3, 4 and 5 are correct. 55. This is the simplest and oldest forms of human society. Our options are industrial society, B, cattle rearing society, C, farming society, D, hunting and food gathering society. Here is hunting and food gathering society is the simplest and oldest of all of human societies. So here our right option is D, hunting and food gathering society. 56. The word culture derived from this language's word volere. Our options are here. A, Greek, B, Latin, C, Sanskrit, D, French. That's fine. The word culture is derived from Latin word volere. That means cultivate. So our right option is B, Latin. 57. This is an example for conventions. Our options are A, buildings, B, school, C, greetings, D, computer. It's very simple question. Answer is also C, greeting. 58. Identify the leading Indian sociologists. Our option here. 1. G.S. Ghare. 2nd. M.N.Srinivas. 3rd. A.R. Desai. Iravati Karve. Yasesu Dubey. Our options are A, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are correct. B, only 1, 2, 4 and 5 are correct. Only 1, 3, 4 and 5 are correct. Only 2, 3, 4 and 5 are correct. Let's just check it out. Leading Indian sociologists have been J.S. Ghare, M.N.Srinivas, A.R. Desai, Iravati Karve, and C. Dubey, and others. So our right option is here A. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 are correct. 59. Identify the statement that is not related to Max Weber. Our options are here A. He was a German sociologist. B. He was the great scholar in the fields of economics, philosophy and history. C. He did a sociological study of the labor forces and the Christian religion. D. He is considered as the father of sociology. Let's check this out. Max Weber was a German sociologist. He was also a great scholar in the fields of economics, philosophy and history. He did a sociological study of the labor forces and the Christian religion. So here not related statement. D. He is considered as the father of sociology. 60. The British sociologist who lived in the 19th century studied the evolution of society. Our options are M.N.Srinivas, B. A.R. Desai, C. Auguste Comte, D. Herbert Spencer. Here is explanation. Herbert Spencer was the British sociologist who lived in 19th century and he studied the evolution of society. Right option here B. Herbert Spencer.